All right, Remy. Let's have a look at Mouse Paint by Stoll Walsh. Would you like to join us? It's one of Remy's absolute favorite books, mine too. It's all about some very, very adventurous mice who get creative with their colors. Let's take a look inside. Once, there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. 1, 2, 3. The cat couldn't find them. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. 1, 2, 3. 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Then 1 was red, 1 was yellow, and 1 was blue. They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. Drip, 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 drip. The puddles looked like fun. The red mouse stepped into the yellow puddle and did a little dance. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until... What do you think will happen when red paint and yellow paint get all stirred up and mixed together? What will happen? Look, he cried. Red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. Awesome. The yellow mouse hopped into a blue puddle. His feet mixed, and stirred and mixed until... What do you think will happen this time when yellow paint and blue paint get all stirred and mixed together? Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Amazing. Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced until... What will happen when blue paint and red paint get all mixed and danced together? Blue and red make purple! They all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. Wow! But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. This might be my favorite part of this book. I think it is so silly and fun that the mice take a bath in the cat's water bowl. That is silly. And they painted the paper instead. They painted 1 part red. Go ahead and dip your brush in the red paint. And red. And 1 part yellow. Go ahead and get some yellow on your brush. Dip. Yellow. And 1 part blue. Dip. Blue. They mixed red and yellow to paint an orange part. Go ahead and dip in yellow, and then dip in red, and now mix them together to make orange. They mixed yellow and blue to paint a green part. Green. And blue and red to make a purple part. Purple. That's hard to say really fast. Can you try that with me? Ready? Purple. But they left some white because of the cat. Awesome book. Let's do a quick review to see what we learned about mixing colors. You ready? What happens when you mix red and yellow? What happens when you mix red and yellow? We make orange. Orange happens when you mix red and yellow. What about when we mix yellow and blue? What happens when you mix yellow and blue? Does purple happen when you mix yellow and blue? No, not purple. When you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Amazing green. All right, one more question. What happens when we mix red and blue? I think I know. I think you get pink when you mix red and blue. Is that right? Does that make pink? No. What happens when you mix red and blue? You make purple. One thing I love about this book is that it shows that sometimes being an artist means being a scientist too. These mice learned so much by experimenting with mixing colors. I wonder what you painter scientists will come up with at home. Good luck with your experiments.